At Puig, every white page is a new beginning, a canvas open to all, where every question is an invitation to innovate. Guided by our purpose, values, and unique approach to business, the Puig way, and a character defined by the balanced opposition of sen y rauxa. Sen in Catalan means serenity and calls for reason, method, order, and rigor. Rauxa is all about passion. What pushes us toward boldness? It embraces risk, guided by intuition and courage. At Puig, creativity is everywhere. It's in those who imagine new stories and keep minds inspired. It's in those who challenge the boundaries of health and science to give new answers to fundamental human needs. It's in those who explore new materials, devise innovative solutions, and seek new ways to care for our planet and society. It's in those who transform data into insights, turn complexity into simplicity, and drive progress through strategy. It's in those who convert a problem into an opportunity, a question into a breakthrough, and doubt into determination. At Puig, creativity thrives in all of us, every role, decision, and challenge. We transform ideas into realities through products and brands, innovation, arts and design, problem solving, business development, technology, science, value creation, and education. We shape culture, challenging norms, and bring new visions to life. We don't just imagine, we make. Puig is a white page where brands can shine and people can grow. And a blank page is where we all begin shaping tomorrow, moved by restless curiosity, entrepreneurial audacity, and contagious enthusiasm. Puig, home of creativity.